Alright. So I tighten already, then I can drill through. This one, the drill bit diameter 4.2 already fixed here. And then there's a pre-drill hole here. Okay, you can locate the drill inside here. Alright. Locate here. Once you locate already, on the switch, on button here, off button here, on the switch. Don't worry about spinner speed reset. So you drill slowly, drill through. Okay, drilling always make sure the chip clear properly. Halfway through already. After you drill through already, wait for the spindle stop first. Right, unlock. Unlock where? Not this one, this one, the screw on top here. Unlock it. Get the mallet. Get this one here, tap from behind. Slowly tap up. Like this. Okay, tap up. Alright, after that what you do? Okay, after you drill already, make sure you foul this way. When you foul only on the forward stroke, then it will cut. No, don't foul backward, foul forward. Okay, this way. Alright, like this. Foul the edges. Okay, then turn again. Another side. So altogether how many sides? 4. 1, 2, 3. Then last one, 4 sides. Okay, now you touch. Is there any difference? Or different compared to the first one that just now you touch? Now no more sharp. See, I can do like that also, not cutting. Just now if you do like that, you try, you can cut the finger. So deburring very important. Deburr on the sharp edges.